Building configuration for network devices is always a complex, time-consuming, and exhaustive process for network admins and operators. With modern overlay technologies, the configuration building process gets increasingly complex as network requirements grow and more changes are needed. Third-party tools require user intervention, and much more input. This also allows more room for error and a higher chance of incorrect configuration application. Ndfc provides instant configuration generation with minimal user intervention and input. In a fabric, a network device can have various responsibilities. Thus different switch roles exist, such as leaf, spine, border leaf, border spine, border gateway, core, edge, etc. The inbuilt native device roles in Ndfc help generate the intended Cisco best practice configuration. A user needs to set the intended role of a network device per desired functions. Ndfc will then generate the Cisco best practice configuration based on the role and defined intent. Here a border gateway role helps generates all the necessary configuration and enables features to establish BGP peerings with neighbors. It also helps place the device correctly in the topology as per the role. Native device roles are available for all the supported devices and all fabric types. Other vendors and tools provide this functionality with added complexity. As a result, users need to register and onboard the devices, classify them in logical containers, moving devices in different workspace, and tagging devices. This can require additional lengthy workflows to be performed, increasing configuration complexity. Ndfc provides users a unified tool with simple workflows and predefined device roles. That keeps configuration generation simple, automated, less prone to human errors, and hassle-free, which eventually make network operations simple and operators happy.